day everyone, I am teacher Arnel A from LOCALIZED, Presumatri City, Osorio Elementary School, and I'm here to present to you my research study entitled Project GRAPE, Gardening and Raising Agricultural Crops and Pupils as the Entrepreneurial Engagement, a home-based cropping approach for the learners during the pandemic. Education employs a holistic approach in training children. Cropping skills teach children how to become good stewards. In times of emergencies, cropping skills enable to help their own families to survive. And here are the conclusions of my research study. Prior to the implementation of the project, most of the respondents had a lower prior knowledge in gardening and cropping. Project GRAPE was assessed as sufficiently implemented in terms of best practices in agriculture-oriented education for the learners. Home-based gardening and cropping skills have significant influence on the entrepreneurial competence of the learners. Majority of the respondents improved in their knowledge and skills in gardening and cropping after their exposure to the project. The research recommendations. The references. Thank you very much for listening. Mabuhay!